Woohoo! Alright, we're going.
Alright, boys and girls.
So, you know, we got that real little one up there, Ella, in harness. It's my daughter's dog. And Ella doesn't know she's little, and it's so funny, because with these sled dogs, you know, you always think biggest dog, hardest puller. I mean, obviously the Sparky back here is a really hard puller, but it's not always the case. Sometimes these little dogs have so much heart and drive and desire that they can pull just as hard as some of these huge males. I mean, really, it's what's inside, and they've shown, you know, I assumed just like anyone else that the big dogs are, and, you know, and generally they are usually a little bit stronger, but every once in a while a little thing like her comes along and reminds you. My daughter is 12 and my son is 9. And we're a family-run business. They actually do a lot of tours with us. We homeschool, so they're usually out there. My mom's visiting right now from Canada, so they're with her. Yeah, we do, and it's great. So we take the winter off of school, except for right now while my mom's here. And then they do this. They've been out here. Gosh, we've had them in front packs and backpacks. They've been out here from the beginning, and now they drive their own dog teams. My son was your daughter's age when he did his first race, and all it was easy. So they're all from Leiden. She's a stopper. She decides to pooch. Puts the brakes on. Literally, we were at a race that Mark was racing at, and they had a thing for kids, and you had to be older to enter. But I told him, look, he's experienced. He's been on the runner since he was pregnant doing this, and so it was just a city block long, like about from here to where they are. And I just put one dog in a little tiny sled, and I went to the other end, and I just said to him, "You look at me, and you just hold on as tight as you can." And he said, "I will, Mom." All right. It was funny because he ended up getting like 3rd place. Out of like all these big kids too, and I mean he was and it was so funny because he looked so cool. They took a picture and put it